What's going on, Veta family? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Joey. Today, we're gonna go over just a general, very basic way to roll your calves out. The denser the tool is, the deeper you're gonna get into the muscle bellies to help them open up and get better blood flow. Go through our playlist to check out the different parts of the calf. I'm just gonna start to slowly roll through my calf. I'm only doing about half of my calf at a time, and that is just to minimize the stress that's on my shoulders. Just focus a small section. You wanna roll nice and slow, and I am just slightly rotating my leg and looking for the areas where it's the most tender. That is where you should spend the most time and work on breaking up that scar tissue and damaged soft tissue. And then let's say you want more pressure, like if you're just using the foam roller and you notice like, oh man, this doesn't feel like it's doing much, try stacking your legs on top of each other, and that should significantly increase the pressure. Try to do up to like 2 to 5, you could even do 5 minutes if you want. Just like I said, focusing on those really intense areas. Don't forget to get all the way down by your Achilles as well. Let me know how that works for you. If you find any benefit from it, drop it down in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback. Till next time, guys. Catch you later.